We are loving our kit. There are so many projects to do with this kit, and both the instructions and the science are very easy to understand. The video clips are just the right pace. At the end of each, my child kept saying, "The next one," and can repeat back the concepts. I bought 2 more for friends as gifts. My 5-year-old daughter decided she wants to be a YouTube star. Apparently watching kids open up toys is exciting for them. Instead of filming videos of her playing with toys, I have given her STEM-related projects to do instead. If I'm going to film a video, she's going to learn something while doing it. She thinks she's becoming a star. Really, she's learning instead. My daughter had a lot of fun playing with the Electro dough. This was really fun to play with, and she learned how to make a circuit. Clever toy for pre-kindergarten kids. Be aware that there are 2 types of kits available, with and without the insulating and conducting doughs. The kit I bought apparently didn't come with the doughs, but rather a recipe for them. There are also videos on YouTube on how to make them and experiment with them. It's relatively easy to make, but it is another step to take before the kids can experiment. Important to note that the dough must be made by the user. Seems to be easy to make. I bought this for my 5-year-old nephew, but I ended up playing with it myself more than he did. He was distracted by a huge iPad, but seemed to love it. It worked pretty well with standard Play-Doh. I only wish it came with more components to play with. I would also suggest giving this to a slightly older child. My 10-year-old grandson is hooked on building this type of technology. It was a fantastic birthday present. It's good for inquiring minds. I think it's a little pricey, but you do get what you need for the simple project. It would be nice if it included Play-Doh. I bought this for my 4-year-old grandbaby. We had a great time playing with it, and learning about how electricity works. Super fun for Nana and Juju. My son enjoyed this mini scientific exercise. Not a whole lot to do after the first use, but definitely giftable and something to do that doesn't involve a tablet. Good way to introduce electricity. The making of the dough, however, very messy. Put that is what my kids enjoyed the most. Smile. Click link in description for more reviews.